Okay, good evening, Rainham 5th graders. It is Tuesday, December 9th, and we are on page 26 of our prepositions, and right now I'm going to model numbers 7 through 10. We have something new going this week with our labeling, and that is that we are going to look for the subject of the sentence as well as the main verb. The subject we underline twice and we write S-U-B-J above it, and the main verb we underline 2 times and we put M-V above it. So we're going to start off doing what we always do. Number 7, the worm started to crawl from his hole. I see the word to, so I'm going to check it, and I'm going to look at the word beside it, crawl. I know that crawl is a verb because it's something that worms do or babies do. So I'm going to underline it twice and I'm going to put a V above it. Now I'm going to look for prepositional phrases. I see the prepositional phrase from his hole, so I squiggle it. First word is a preposition, last word is a noun, and anything in between is an adjective. Don't forget my arrow. Now I'm going to ask myself who or what is doing the action, and that is the little worm. So I'm going to underline worm once and write S-U-B-J. And then I ask myself, what did the worm do? Did the worm or did the worm started? The worm started. So I'm going to underline it twice and I'm going to write M-V. That's my main verb. I want to say one quick thing. You never are going to have your main verb in a verb phrase. So if I check the to and the word next to it is a verb, this is never going to be my main verb. That's really important to remember. Number 8, Marvin wanted to get to the concert at the right time. I see 2 to's, then I need to check. To get. I know that get is a verb, so I underline it twice and I put a V above it. To the concert. I know the is an adjective, concert's a noun, so this is a prepositional phrase, not a verb phrase. So go ahead and label that. Don't forget your arrow. And now look for any other prepositional phrases like at the right time. First word's a preposition, last word's a noun, anything in the middle is an adjective. Draw your arrows, 2 arrows going to the noun time. Now I have 2 words left. Who or what is doing the action? Marvin. Marvin is a person, so he is the subject of the sentence. What did Marvin do? Marvin wanted. Underline it twice. M-V above. Number 9. Within that time, Craig finished the race. I don't see any to's, but I do see a preposition within. So I know within that time, time's a noun, so I stop squiggling. Preposition, noun, adjective, arrow. I don't see any other prepositional phrases. So now I ask who or what is doing the action, and that is Craig. My subject, underline it once, S-U-B-J. What did Craig do? Craig finished, underline it twice, M-V above it. I can't do anything else with number 9. Last one, the nurse spends half of her time in the wards. Okay, so I don't see any to's, but I do see 2 prepositional phrases. Of her time in the wards. First word is a preposition. Last word is a noun. Anything in between is an adjective. Don't forget my arrows. Now I have the nurse spends. Who or what is doing the action? Nurse is a person, so I know that that's my subject. What is the nurse doing? The nurse is spending, so I underline it twice and write M-V. Okay, so right now on your own I want you to do number 11 and number 12. Number 11 and number 12 on your own. And the secret message is that you are going to do a little star right here and circle it. Okay? Have a great night. I'll see you tomorrow night.